Welcome to my final art presentation of my 5 portraiture works, as well as my installment and photography work and electronic devices on the outsides. Now I'm going to demonstrate how I have slip-on frames that I built that are easy for shipping and wrapping. I also built my own canvases. They're 30 by 40 inch by 3 inches deep. They're made with a Luan backing board and they're gallery wrapped. The easels I made out of cinder block and filled them with concrete and 4x4s with brackets to hold and an angle for the viewer to be able to view the portraiture work as best as they possibly can. This is a portraiture piece of my daughter Ariana. This is a portraiture piece of my wife Gina. This is a portraiture work of my father-in-law Mark. This is a portraiture piece of my daughter Savannah. This is a portraiture piece of my son Hayden. This is the inside of the installment, and the inside of the installment is the nature part of this project, which represents photography of all of the people that are in the portraiture work, as well as some of the nature scenes that are around the local area and some of the desert areas. I would like to now try to focus in on the roof. The roof was made from steel 1 inch by 1 inch hollow steel piping and flexed at a 192 degree radius. And the plexiglass is 4 foot by 8 foot blue plexiglass, 1/8 inch thick. And it adds a skylight to the nature part of the installment, which adds a nice effect to the rest of the installment. Thank you for reviewing my final art presentation.